In this video, we are going to learn function with name ranges and get to know their advantages and disadvantages. To explain this, I have taken new worksheet and that worksheet name is if function worksheet. To go further, what is name box? Name box is located before formula bar over here. Now in name box, A1 is written. Basically, it tells us in which cell we are there at present. To explain further, suppose now we are in B10 cell over here and we want to sum of week 1 in B10. So our formula will be equal, then we will write sum, then do double click, then select range of cell like in this case B5 to B9, then close bracket sign and then press enter. We will get the answer. Another method is by way of shortcut. We just have to press Alt and then equal sign. First we will click to B10 cell, then we will press Alt and equal sign. It will automatically select the cell range and now we have to press enter. We have already learned this two method. Now same sum function we will use but with name ranges. For this, we have to follow certain steps. First step is select the cell range. Like in this scenario, select cell B5 to B9. Then go to name box area over here. Currently, it is written B5. We will change the name by week 1. And then we will press enter key. Then go to B10 cell. First we will delete last one. Then press equal sign. Then type sum. Then do double click. As we want total of week 1 and week 1 cell range is B5 to B9 cell. But we have given name to this cell range and that is week 1. So now we will type week. Look, week 1 is there. Select week 1 by doing double click. Then close bracket sign. And final step is press enter. We will get the answer. This is just another method to use some function. Advantages of name ranges. This name ranges will help us to navigate the data. For example, cell from B5 to B9 is a range of cell and that range of cell name is week 1. Suppose we are in another worksheet like we are in VLOOKUP function worksheet. In that we will go to name box over here. And then we will click to down arrow like this. We will see their week 1 option is available. The moment we click to week 1 option, it will automatically take us to week 1 data from B5 to B9 over here. So in same workbook, in whatever worksheet we are there, we can select name ranges. It will automatically drag us to that name ranges. It is nice, right? This name ranges will help us in VLOOKUP function, HLOOKUP function, in VBA macros and so on, where we have very large set of data. Suppose we want to print data of week 1 only. What we can do is first select that range of cell. It means in this scenario, cell B5 to B9. Then click to file and in that click to print. And in print setting, click to print selection. Like this, we will get week 1 data to print over here. Another method is go to name box. For that, go back to Excel worksheet. Here is the name box. Click to down arrow and select week 1. The moment we select week 1, it will select cell range from B5 to B9. Then click to file. Then click to print and in that select print selection like this. It will print only week 1 data. Over here we can see in print preview. Now go back to Excel worksheet. Another advantage of name range is, as we have given name to B5 to B9 range of cell, we have given identity to them by giving name like week 1. So this identity can help us in different formula. Like suppose we want average of week 1, then first we will select cell B14, then we will press equal sign from keyboard, then we will write average, then we will do double click. Now we will write week. The moment we have written week, week 1 is appeared, then do double click, then close bracket sign. Now press enter. The moment we press enter, we will get answer of average. These are the some advantages of name ranges. Now we will learn disadvantages of name ranges. In Excel there are two terms, relative reference and absolute reference. To understand relative reference, type equal B5 in B17 cell over here, equal and B5. This B5 is relative reference. So when we will drag it right side, it will move to C5, then D5, then E5. See, like this. C5, D5 and E5 amount came over here. We can check. See, these two amount are similar because of relative reference. Now we will learn about absolute reference. To understand absolute reference, type equal B5 in B16 cell over here, equal and B5. But now put dollar sign before B and 5. Like this. The moment we have put dollar sign, it become absolute. So when we will drag to right side, same amount of B5 will appear. See. Like this. Drag it. Same amount of B5, 9550 came over here because of absolute reference. So like this, when we give name to the group of cell, it automatically become absolute. So now if we drag B10 cell to C10 cell over here like this, the amount will be same because same week 1 is just carried to C10 cell. Same we can move forward like this, same amount will appear. So this is the big disadvantage of name cell. So when we give name to any range of cell, it become absolute automatically. So in this video we have learned what is name ranges, how we can give name to the group of cell, how we can use name ranges in different formula, and we have learned some disadvantages and advantages of name ranges. Try it out in your Excel worksheet and I will see you in next video.